And we're live. Good morning, sixth grade.
Good morning.
How we doing?
Good morning.
Good. So I'm so happy you all came today. We got about 15 people on. Today, it's Monday. It's April 6th, 2020. And today, let me tell you what we're going to be reviewing. We're going to review the following items on our packet. All right, I'll show everyone the packet that we're on. We're on the packet that looks like the one in my hand that says Monday and Tuesday, April 7th. Okay, that's the one that we're on. But before I begin any farther, I have to mute everybody because I don't know. Somebody has got noise going on, and I need you to mute yourself because I can't continue like this. Okay. So if you're not muted, just mute yourself so I can continue on. And then I'll tell you to unmute. Okay, so we're working on Monday and Tuesday's packet, April 6th and April 7th. Today we review the following items. Proportions with percents, a GCF problem. A word problems with LCM and GCF. Finding just the GCF or LCM of two numbers. Then we'll be working with more word problems on GCF and LCM. And then the very last two problems are going to deal with number system. So it's going to deal with ordering integers from greatest to least, and then applying a situation to a real world example. So today we will stop at page 9. Actually, sorry, I think it's page 9. Page 8. Page 9 we will stop at today. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue on. So today we're going to go from page 4 to 9, and tomorrow we will continue on from the test prep from page 10 to the end, which are all test prep questions. So we're going to have, it's going to be very quick today. And then tomorrow when we come back, we'll continue with the rest. So let's get started. So if I call your name, please come off mute. Everyone I know has the packet. Those that didn't have it, I emailed it to you a few times. So I'm going to start with Leanne. Leanne, if you can hear me, good morning. Come off mute there. Hey, good morning. All right,
Morning.
Leanne, good morning. So if you would be kind enough to read for me practice, we're going to do practice problem 2, okay? Even though we already did it before, I just want to have it on record. All right, because practice problem 1 we're due now. So can you read me practice problem 2 on page 2?
Mariah and her friends are going on a hiking trip. Mariah wants to make snack packs to take on the trip. She has 24 apples and 36 snack bags of trail mix. Small bags of trail mix.
Uh-oh.
Each snack bag must have the same number of apples and the same number of trail mix. What is the greatest number of snack packs Mariah can make?
Thumbs up in the chat because I can't hear Leanne. Okay, Leanne, let's try that again. All right, Leanne, let's try that again. Can you read that problem again? Because you got frozen.
Oh my God. Mariah and her friends are going on a hiking trip. Mariah wants to make snack packs to take on the trip. She has 24 apples and 36 small bags of trail mix. Each snack pack must have the same number of apples and the same number of trail mix. What is the greatest number of snack packs Mariah can make?
Okay, so Leanne, you're going to continue. What do we circle, GCF or LCM?
GCF.
Good. We make the T chart, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you're going to complete this problem for us. So continue.
Apples would be Okay, so 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6 for apples.
Good. Can you tell me the trail?
1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6.
Okay, now tell us what are all the common factors shared between 24 and 36?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
Good. So what's the GCF?
12.
12. Now, I'm going to test you to go one step farther if you were listening before. If there were 12 apples in a bag and I need to get to 24, how many bags of apples do I need? Each bag has 12 apples. How many bags do I need to get 24 apples in?
2.
2. Now for trail mix, each bag holds 12 packs of trail mix. I need 36 bags. How many bags do I need?
3.
3. Okay, awesome. Can you show your work, please? Okay, did you write the bottom GCF is 12 and did you fill in the answer spot, the answer blank for us? Perfect. Now at the bottom of your paper, Leanne, it says answer : the greatest.
Mhm.
Can you fill that in?
I
You know what I'm
did.
talking about at the bottom of your paper?
I did.
Good. Can you show us what you wrote on the 3 lines so people can see in the class? So it's, oh, it's a little blurry. It's 12, 2, and 3, guys. 12, 2, and 3. So she needs 12. It's a little blurry. 12, which is 2 apples and 3 bags of trail mix. Thank you. You can go back on mute. Next person to come off. Just want to make sure everyone has that. I'm going to show you one last time. The bottom. Okay, it said 12, 2, and 3 because it came a little blurry. It's not her fault. Okay, that's what you should have. All right, we're going to move on now to page 3, problem 3. I'm going to have a reader, and that reader is going to be, let's see, I'm going to call Brandon. Brandon, come off mute and show your face. So Brandon, I know you're there because I saw you write a message in the chat. You need to now unmute yourself. Okay, Demi, you can come unmute yourself and you can read page 3, problem 3, please. And show your face. Thank you.
Is my face right? Okay.
Oh, how cute you look. Go ahead.
All right. Last week was 24% of the campers at the state park were visiting from out of state. This week, an optional 12% from out of the state. If there were 175 campers at the same state park this week, how many are visiting from out of the state? You must use proportion to solve.
Okay, so last week for 24%, and then this week there was an additional, there was another 12%. So we're going to call on someone else to help answer. That way everyone has a fair voice because today it's very short. So Esther, you can come off. Mute Esther. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
Show your face, please. And you're going to tell us part, whole, percent, what to do here.
Okay, the part for the percent is of 24. The part is
it?
Wait, no, not 24. It's 36.
Can you explain why it's 36?
Because last week 24% of the campers at a state park were visited, and this week an additional 12%.
Good.
So we have to add them.
Yeah. Good. So you get 36%.
Yes.
Okay, keep going.
And if there are 174 campers at the park this week, how many are visiting from out of state? So the part is 175.
Good. So now give me the part to whole equal percent over 100.
So it's 36 over 100 equals 175 over question mark.
Good. Now what do you do?
So we do the butterfly method, and 100 times 175 is 175 17,500.
Good. And then what are you going to do with that in the 36?
Divided by 36.
Okay, guys, when you do the division here, you're not going to come out with an even number. It's going to keep repeating. So just go to the 3 places when you divide. Don't give me the decimal. Just give me the 3 whole numbers if you use a calculator. So we're going to divide 17,500 into 36 because this one's an estimated question.
46.
Huh?
486.
About 486 visitors from out of state. Can you show the work, please?
I did it on my phone.
Okay. Let me then help you guys out. So here, this is what she said. Right, so I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to write this. So again, a recap, 175 was the part, because that's how many people were at the park last week. To find the percent, you have to add last week's percent plus the additional. And additional means you added on. That means more people came. That's why she got 36, because 24 and 12 is 36. When you make the proportion and you do the butterfly method, you now have 100 times 175, as you can see, is 17,500. We've been saying you circle the zeros and multiply the whole numbers. So 175 times 1 is 175, and I have 2 zeros. I attach it. I then have to divide by 36, and I get about 486 visitors. That is what goes on this line where my finger is, 486. Take another 15 seconds to write this down. You don't have to copy that part. That was just me doing the math by hand. Okay? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going, and we are going to change the paper in the next 3 seconds, because now we're going to be going to page 4 in 3, in 1. Go back to the screen. So if you're on mute, if you're off of mute, go back on mute. Miss Mariah, you're going to come off mute for us, pretty lady, and you're going to read page 4, kiddo. You're on mute. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay. Page 4, problem 4, kiddo.
Matthew is running for student council. His friends are going to help him give out 15 posters and 6 banners. Matthew plans to pack all of the posters and banners in the boxes. He wants to put the same number of posters and the same number of banners in each box. What is the greatest number of the boxes Matthew can pack?
So Mariah, keyword there is greatest. So we're finding GCF or
Yeah.
LCM. What?
Yeah.
Good, circle it. Make your T-chart. Put 15 posters on one side and put 6 banners on the other. Now you're going to tell us, what are the factors of 15? What are the factors of 15? 1 times what?
1 times 15.
Yep. And 3 times what?
3 times 5.
Good job. 1 times 15, 3 times 5. Give me the factors of 6, kiddo.
1 times 6. 3 times 2.
Good. Or 2 times 3, right? Okay, so now what do they have in common? There are 2 numbers they both share. What are they?
They share 3 and a 1.
Good. So what's the GCF?
3.
3. So right, GCF equal 3. The greatest number of boxes that he can pack is 3. Now, we need to figure out, right? I'm going to challenge you one step farther, that if 3 posters go in a box and I need to get to 15, how many poster boxes do I need if each one holds 3 posters?
Repeat the question.
Sure. If each box has 3 posters, I need to get to 15. Use your work.
You need 5.
How many boxes of posters? Good. Put 5 poster boxes. And how many banners boxes do I need?
3.
Well, the GCF is 3. So each one holds 3. So I need how many boxes to get 6 in?
2.
3 times. There you go. So write 5 posters and 2 banners, and then show your work to us. I see. Why are you being a bad girl? The kids have to learn. Now stop it. She's watching you, Mariah, making sure you're doing your work. Wait, can you clear up your camera? It's a little blurry, dear. Like, can you clean your camera? Okay, now try again. Hold your work up. Let's see. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, 3, and then push it up a little bit because you wrote something underneath.
3.
5 poster boxes and 2 banner boxes. Okay, good job, Mariah. Excellent. All right, you're gonna go back on mute now, and we're going to have, let's see, we're gonna have Angelina. Miss Angelina, come off mute. Come off mute. She's all ready to read, but we can't hear. We're on page 5 now, kid.
What is the greatest common factor of 42 and 84?
Good, make a T-chart. You did it already?
Mhm.
Okay, so give us the factors of 42. What'd you come up with so far?
1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14, and 6 times 7.
Sweet. Awesome. How about 84?
1 times 84, 2 times 42, 3 times 28, and 4 times 21.
Okay, there's 2 more factors you're missing. 6 times 14 and 7 times 12, kiddo. So 6 times 14 add on and 7 times 12. Now, Angelina, can you tell us what's common and what do they all share?
They share a 1, they
Mhm.
share a 2, they share a 3, they share a 6, and
Do they share 7?
they share a 7.
Good. Do they share 14? Stop it, Lacey.
Yes.
Do they share 21?
Yes.
Do they share a 42?
Yes.
So now, out of all those numbers, what is the greatest number they share?
A 42.
Which is what answer choice?
C.
Excellent. So everybody on page 5, you should circle C. And Angelina, when you're ready, because I know you hurt yourself, can you show your work to the screen, please? When you're ready. Awesome. So whatever she wrote, wait, going to keep it up for like another 20 seconds for them to write that down. 20, 19, 18, 17. Somebody said, what do you do when you're done? You just wait for us to review the problems. If you went ahead, that's fine. But remember, you're stopping at page 9 today. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, thanks, Angelina. Page 6. I am going to have Ibrahima.
Yes.
Hi, show your face. You're going to read page 6 for us. Turn
Page 6.
turn your camera on, kiddo.
Okay. Wait, is page 6 the greatest common factor?
Well, we're going to read it and we're going to figure it out, but you need to put your camera on so we can see your face.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. Right? Oh, there we go. All right, so we're on page 6 where it says Carlos. Go ahead.
Yeah, Carlos is arranging books on the shelves. He has 24 novels and autobiographies. Each shelf will have the same number of novels and autobiographies. If Carlos must place all of the books on the shelves, what is the possible number of shelves Carlos must have? Show all your work.
Now, circle 1, Ibrahima. Is it GCF or LCM? You said it before.
It's GCF.
Good. Make the T-chart. Try to come to the center of the screen. There you go. Make your T-chart.
Yeah.
On one side, you're going to write 24 novels.
Mhm.
On the other side, you're going to put 16 autobiographies, right?
Mhm.
Now, you're going to list the factors. You're going to give me the factors of 24 only. What are the factors of 24? 1 and what?
1 times 24.
Good.
And 2 times 12.
Mm-hmm.
3 times 8.
Good.
4 times 6. 6 times no. And 8 times 3.
8 times 3 is the same as 3 times 8, right?
Yeah.
So again, the factors are 1 and 24, guys. 2 and 12, he said. 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Now, Ibrahima, give me the factors of 16. 1 and what?
1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 times 4.
Good. Now, Ibrahima, which are the common factors they share? What do they both share? What numbers? Do they share ones?
4? No. Yeah, they do.
Do they share a 2?
Yeah.
Do they share a 4?
Yeah.
Do they share an 8?
Yeah.
So what is the GCF? What number?
8.
8. Now, I'm going to go one step farther, okay? If the GCF is 8 novels and I need to get to 24, how do I get from 8 to 24? How many novels, how many shelves do I need? If each one has 8 on a shelf, I need to get to 24. Look at your tree. 8 times what is 24? Look on your factors.
Oh, yeah, 8 times 3.
Good. So you're going to need 3 shelves of novels. Write that down. 3 shelves of novels. And if each shelf holds 8 autobiographies, and I need to get to 16, how many shelves of autobiographies do I need?
If you get into 16,
Yeah. If each one is 8.
you're gonna have to multiply 8 times 2.
Yes, you're going to need how many shelves?
2.
2. So write 2 shelves of autobiographies. And then you're going to show your work on the camera. If you guys already finished page 6, you can try page 7. Because we're almost done. Okay? I just realized there's no exit ticket in here, so I'm going to pull a question to write on the paper. All right. We're ready?
Yeah.
Can you show your work, sir? In the center of where you're sitting?
Okay.
All you have to do is just turn it around. Oh, wait. You gotta go to full screen. Okay, there we go. Well, try to go to full screen. Okay. All right, let me see what you did. Hold it higher up so we can see the work underneath, kiddo. Just like that. Hold it just like that. That's perfect. So guys, again, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Hold it right there. 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. You need GCF is 8, 3 novels, shelves, and 2 autobiographies. Good job. Thank you, Ibrahima. Now go back on mute. All right, we're getting to the end now. We only got a few problems left. We got problem 7, 8, and 9, and then we're done. Because tomorrow, Ibrahima, we will do the other half. Okay? Blessing, you're going to come off mute. Okay, Blessing, you're going to come off mute, and you're going to read page 7 now about McKaylin. Blessing. Let's try this again. You're going to read me page 7. Blessing. I can't hear you. You're muted. Unmute. Okay, read it. Page 7 now.
McKinney had 12 days of good game, 16 days of strawberry game, and 24 days of
Raspberry.
game. She wanted to pierce the gem into the greatest possible number of boxes so that each box has the same number of dots of each kind of thing. How many boxes does she need?
So Blessing, we want the greatest number. Greatest number. GCF or LCM?
GCF.
Circle GCF. Now I'm going to call on someone else just because we're running out of time, so it's fair. Ilani, come off mute. Help Blessing and us out.
Yes.
Good morning. Show your face, please.
All right.
Thank you. All right, kiddo. We're going to make a 3-column chart, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna have 12 grape, 16 strawberry, and 24 raspberry, right?
Yeah.
You have this packet? Where's this packet? Young lady, where's this packet?
I don't have a packet.
I emailed it to you.
I never got it.
I emailed it like 5 times. I put it in an attachment. Okay, so we're gonna come back to you. We're gonna have someone help you out. Okay, Chris Danielise. Come off mute, kiddo.
Hello.
Where's your face?
Does it show now?
Yes, okay. So Chris, we're gonna make the 3-column chart. We're gonna have 12 grape, 16 strawberry, 24 raspberry, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Can you give us
Yeah.
the factors of 12?
1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and I think there's more. 2 times 6. Oh, I already put that.
Ooh. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4, right?
Yeah, that's what I put so far.
Good. Factors of 16, Chris.
1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times
Ooh, it's hard to
4.
hear. Good. For raspberry, 24 raspberry, what are the factors? 1 and what?
1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 6, 3 times 8, 4 times 6.
Oh, yikes, Chris. It's in my ear, man. All right. We're going to call on someone else to give us the GCF now, so go back on mute. Mariah, you're up. Come off mute. Mariah, come off mute.
Yes.
Okay, so we got the factors of 12, just to recap, because it was hard to hear. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, yes?
Yes.
Factors of 16. Sorry, 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4, right? Factors of 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, correct?
Yes.
Now, tell me, what factors do they all share?
They
1.
share 1. They share 2.
Mm-hmm.
They share 4.
Good, so what is the GCF?
4.
4. Put GCF equal 4 on your paper. Now, we're going to go one step farther. Okay, so now we're talking about, we have 12 jars of grape jam. If I had to figure out how many grapes go in each container or jam, right?
Yes.
I need to get to 12. How many jars would I need? If each jar has 4, I need to
You
get,
need 3 jars.
right, put 3 jars of grape. How many jars of strawberry would I need if each one has 4 strawberries?
3.
One more.
4.
4. So I need 3 jars of grape jam, 4 jars of strawberry, and look at your work. If there were 4 raspberries in a jar and I need to get to 24, 4 times what is 24?
4 times 6.
Yeah, so you need 6 jars of raspberry jam, 4 jars of strawberry, and 3 jars of grape jam.
So
So she will need 4, will be the greatest number of boxes of each one.
okay.
So show your work when you're ready. We're almost done. We only got two more problems. Well, technically we got 3 more. We have 8, 9, and problem 10. And then we're done. Okay. It's a little hard to see that, but let's see. And that's a little bit better. Okay. I'm just gonna, that's great. The only thing you didn't do is you didn't label. So I want to show you what you did versus what I did and just make the correction. Okay, kiddo? Okay. So this is what I did. See how I labeled 12 grape, 16 strawberry, and 24 raspberry? You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure you guys have it labeled. It's easier when you label all your work because then it shows you know what you're talking about. You're not wrong, Mariah. It just looks better when it's labeled, right?
Yeah.
That's all. Small fixes, nothing crazy. All right, guys, so take 15 seconds to write this. 15, 14, 13, 12. And again, if you don't get anything down, just send me a private Google chat or call me on your parent phone, and I will text over what you need. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can I change it, everybody? Okay. We're now going to go to page 8 now. There's one little mistake that we need to correct. My mistake and Mr. R's mistake. We apologize. Hello, Angelina. You're going to come off mute, and you're going to make the correction and show us. All right. So unmute yourself. Okay, there you are. Okay, so on page 8, problem 8, in the box of states, it says -69. But in the answer choice on letter C, everyone go to letter C. Make the 49 a 69, -69. Can you show us that correction? Make that -4, make that -4 a 6. Can you turn it and show us? So everyone see, wait, come closer. That 4 becomes -69. Now, thanks, Angelina. Watch that hand, please. Okay. Page 8, Angelina, can you read the problem for us? And then we're going to have someone do it.
Which list is in order from greatest to least temperature?
All right. From greatest to least using the chart.
Negative.
Leanne, you're going to be up. We'll have Leanne go. Leanne? Leanne? Okay, come off and show your face. Angelina, mute yourself, lovey. I got it. Okay. All right, Leanne. So, did you get that correction on letter C? Yes? Okay. So, can you tell us from greatest to least, what's the first list to go on?
Huh?
Page 8, number 8. It says, what list is ordered from greatest? What's the greatest temperature there?
Yeah, New York.
New
It would
York.
be- so it would be 15,
Mhm.
-16, -25, -42, and -49.
Or -69, either way, right? So what answer should they pick?
C.
Good. So as she said, first it's 15, which is New York, then -16 is Louisiana, then -23 is Connecticut, then -42 is Pennsylvania, and last but not least is New Jersey, which is -69, so you pick C. Thank you, Leanne. All right, you can go on mute now, and Esther, actually no, Angelina, you're gonna come off mute now.
Yes.
Hello, come off mute, kiddo. Angelina, come off mute. Annalena, come off mute. Okay, you have this packet, correct?
Yeah. Well, I don't have the packet, but you sent it to me.
Yeah, I sent it over last week. Anyways, page 9. Can you read me problem 9 on page 9?
Okay.
It says eyeglass prescriptions. That one?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it right now. Just find it.
Wait, why is there a black screen?
Because I have to find it. I have to log into my thing.
Okay, well, you should have had it out the whole entire time. Should we come back to you? Okay, you're gonna do
Yeah.
then you're gonna do problem 10 then, okay? So, If you would like to do problem, did you find it, Annalena? Okay, good. So now you're going to read it. Problem
Yes,
9.
now I found. Okay, problem 9 says. Okay, it says the table shows the change in the amount of
What?
money in several saving accounts over the past
Wait, I
3
think you're on the
months.
wrong problem. That's problem 10. I want the one.
You said page.
Yeah, problem 9 though.
Oh, my bad. You want problem
Yes,
9?
please. Eyeglass prescription, that one.
Yes, that one.
Problem 9 says eyeglass prescription. Eyeglass prescriptions use positive and negative numbers. That one.
Which is page.
Page 8.
Okay. Okay, now I see it.
Okay.
Okay, it says eyeglass prescriptions use positive and negative numbers to describe vision. In general, the farthest away from 0, the number on the prescription is more vision. Negative numbers, in general, the farthest from. Unique negative numbers mean you are nearest sight. Positive
Numbers.
Positive numbers mean you are farsighted.
Farsighted.
Farsighted. The table below shows prescriptions number for 5 patients.
Okay, let's stop there. Let's just recap what that says because this is real. So anytime there's a negative number, it means you're nearsighted. Nearsighted means you can't see far away. So for example, if you notice, Annalena, I wear glasses and I wear contacts. Now, the reason why I have them is because I'm nearsighted. My vision or prescription is a negative number because I can't see far away. That's why I'm a negative. I'm nearsighted. I can't see far. That means when I drive, I have to wear my contacts or glasses because if not, I will crash because I can't see. And I started wearing glasses when I was your age in the 6th grade. I had to wear it for the blackboard to see the board. And then as the years went on, my eyes got weaker, so I had to wear them all the time. Okay? If you're positive, if you have a positive, that means that you can't see far. That means you can't see close. Far means you can't see close. Nearsighted means you can't see far. Okay? Now, looking at the chart, Annalena, you're going to do A, then I'm going to call someone else. Which patients are nearsighted? Which patients have a negative vision? There were 3 answers.
Okay, the patients that have a negative vision is E, which is -3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then A also, which is -2.25, and C, which is -1.50.
Good. So for choice A, guys, you put capital A, C, and E. Now, I'm going to call on someone else to make it fair. Sergio, good morning. We're on page 8. If you can hear me, we're on page 8. Unmute yourself. Sergio, page 8. I don't think, okay. Annalena, I guess you can continue. So, which patients are farsighted, meaning which ones have a positive prescription? They can't see close.
The positive is B, which is 1. D, which is 3.25.
Good. So B, you should have B and D. How about C? Which patient is the most farsightedness? And if you read here, the farthest from 0
is E, which is 3. Negative.
Excellent. And D says which patient is the most farsighted? So which one cannot see the closest?
Like E, yeah, isn't it E?
No. Nearsighted is negative. Farsighted is positive.
Oh, okay.
So which one?
Wow, what did I just do?
Would it be B or D? Which one?
It would be B.
Mm?
Oh my god, wait. It's not. Okay, it would be, what is it called?
What comes after C?
It would be D.
Good. Again, so recap. So on letter A, you should have A, C, and E. On letter B, you should have B and D. On letter C, you have E. And letter D, you have D. And I'm just going to show everyone real quick because there's not a lot to write. That this is what you guys should have. This is what you should have had. There's not a lot to write, so you get 10 seconds. I just put N for nearsighted, F for farsighted. Your paper does not have to match mine. What it does have to have is ACE, BD, E, and D. Take 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're on the last page now for today because we're stopping at page 9. Okay, so behind this, there's a page. We will continue with page 11 and so on tomorrow. We're going to do page 9, the last problem. And to end up our day, I am going to have Demelisa come off the mute, please. If you can hear me. Demi, turn your camera on. Please put the camera on so we can see your face.
Is it on? I put it on.
Nope, I just see a letter D for Demi. I don't see who you are.
Oh God. I'm breaking.
Okay, thanks, Demi. Demi, read on the top for us, okay? The last page, page 9, last page of the day.
Read
The table?
The table shows the change in the amounts of money. The table shows the change in the amounts of money in several savings accounts over the past 3 months. List the dollar amounts in order from least to greatest.
Okay. So, Demi, which account has the most money? Which letter has the most money?
This.
A, B, C, or D? I can't hear you, so we're going to come back to you.
Yeah.
Okay, and Angelina, come off.
A.
A. Okay, good. Angelina, Demi said the first answer is $125. What comes next? What's the next highest?
A.
What?
100.
A.
So Demi said the first answer is $125. What comes after $125? Is it 108, negative $302, or negative $45?
108.
Good, 108 is choice 2. What comes next? Which one's the closest to 0 now? Negative $45 or negative 302? Good. So 125, 108, negative 45, and negative 302. Now, so again, it's A, D, B, and C. To order the accounts, it goes account A, then account D, then account B, then account C. Okay, the last 3 problems. Leanne's going to do it. Leanne, come on off, please. Leanne? Leanne? Earth to Leanne? Earth to Leanne? Okay. Earth to Leanne. Okay, Sergio. Can you come off mute, kiddo? Hello, Sergio.
Hi, Miss Canella.
Happy you came on. I know you had some technical difficulties. Okay, Sergio, we're on page 9. We're stopping there for today. We're going to do the other half tomorrow because it's a 2-day packet, all right? So, which is greater, $85 or negative 10, Sergio?
$85, negative 10.
Yeah, which is greater?
$85.
Good, so 85, put the greater sign. Which is greater, Sergio, 7 or negative 1?
7.
Good, so 7 is greater. Thank you. We're going to call on someone else to do the last one. Esther. Esther. Esther, if you can hear me, unmute
Yes.
yourself, because I cannot do that.
I'm right here.
Oh, no, you got to turn the camera on, kid.
Done.
Okay. Okay, Esther, the last one. -8 is what to -4?
Great. Less than.
Good. So can you show us the bottom of B, what signs we should have? Okay, so scooch it over because we can't see the other part. We only see 2 answers. Now put the paper down. Okay, stay just like that. So 85 is greater than -10. 7 is greater than -1. And -8 is less than -4. So those are the signs you have. 2 greater, 2 less. Now, we are done for the day. The exit ticket will be up shortly. Now, Esther, you can take that away. Now, okay, I just want to make a few announcements in here. I know it was made earlier, but I need to say it again, folks. If you are missing work, okay, now is the time for you to catch up on it. Okay, we will meet until Friday. As of Friday, we will not be meeting next week because it's your spring break. But if you haven't completed your work from your other subjects, that will be a time for you to start catching up on it. Again, you must do 30 minutes a week of iReady. I know I said do 30 minutes a day. I need it up for math. Now's a good time to get it out of the way for the week. 30 minutes of math iReady and 30 minutes of ELA iReady. As you know, there are no state tests due to the COVID virus. So as a result, iReady is required, and I'm able to check and see who's done it and who hasn't. So if you have not done iReady last week, you now owe an hour. You owe me an hour for math and an hour for ELA. So I don't care when you do it, but I need it done. Because on Fridays I check. If it's not done, I'm going to send you an email.
Okay,
If you need your login, just send me a message and I'll give it to you, or Miss Wong. Now, some of you are not reaching out to your ELA teacher. Some of you haven't turned any work in. If you haven't turned the work in, you reach out to Miss Wong or Mr. Lucas. Got it?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Same with social studies and science. You got to reach out to those teachers if you need help,
Oh, I forgot about
because you are getting a grade. Now, if you didn't do the quiz that was on Friday on Google Classroom, I suggest you do that. The exit tickets will go up shortly. We're going to say adios for now. Everyone can come off mute. Everyone can come off mute. Wait. Hold on. Why am I still on the screen? Everyone can come off mute. And I'll see everyone here tomorrow at 8 to do the other half of the packet. Bye, guys.
Wait,
Bye.
Chris, can I look?
Chris, call me up and ask me so it's not recorded, okay? Call me up. Okay? Bye, guys. Have a good day.